In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pop-up text in PowerPoint. This is a great feature to highlight key information or provide additional context without cluttering up your slides. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you've got that loaded up, head over to the PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to add the pop-up feature. Having your existing presentation ready helps you visualize exactly where you want the additional information to appear. Next, identify the object, shape, text, or image in your slide that you want to link this pop-up text to. Click on it. This selection is crucial because it determines what will trigger the pop-up text during your presentation. Now navigate to the Insert tab on the top menu. This tab is your go-to for adding various media and links to your slides, and today our focus is on adding a link for our pop-up. When you click on Insert, look for the option labelled Link. Click on it. A drop-down or a new window will appear, showing various linking options. In this menu, find and click Insert Link. This command will open a new dialog box offering several choices for linking destinations. Here you want to select Place in this document. This link type allows you to jump within the same presentation, which is exactly what you need for effective pop-ups. After choosing Place in this document, you'll see a list of all the slides in your current presentation. From this list, choose the specific slide where you want the text to link. This decision is important as it directly affects what information your audience will see during your presentation. Now comes the fun part, adding the pop-up text. In the dialog box at the top right, you'll notice an option called Screen Tip. Click on it. This is where you'll enter your desired pop-up text. Think of this as the message or note you want your audience to quickly see without changing slides. Go ahead and start typing your pop-up text. Be concise and clear since this text appears on hover and serves as quick reference information. Double check your message to ensure clarity and correctness. When you're satisfied, simply apply your changes, and that's it. You've successfully added pop-up text to your PowerPoint presentation. During your slideshow, hovering over the linked object will reveal the pop-up with your text, providing a seamless way to enhance your slides. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make your PowerPoint presentations more interactive and informative. By using these pop-ups, you can effectively communicate additional insights without overwhelming your audience with information overload. Happy presenting!